In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to simply take a snapshot in VLC. First of all, start ahead by booting your VLC by either going to the Start menu and clicking VLC, or directly going to the desired video, right click and then click Open with, click on the video again, Open with VLC. Here it is, and we're good to go. Once we've done that, we will click on View, click on Advanced Controls, and then right here, let me zoom this correctly, you can see that we have 4 controls added. Let me repeat that process. As you can see, again, View, Advanced Controls, and 4 buttons added right here. The second button will be able to take snapshot. And right here, when I took the snapshot, it had plays right here. So if we go back to our files, go to our pictures, we are going to find our snapshots just right here. That's basically it, guys, on taking the snapshot. Thanks for watching and goodbye.